Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make this beautiful rose flower using pipe cleaner. So take this red pipe cleaner and fold it into 4 centimeter. Now roll it over and over again. We're going to make the petal of the flower. Tuck the pipe cleaner inside and look, your petal is ready. Similar way, we are going to press it like this. You can also use a straightener or a normal iron. Now we are going to make more such petals and put all of them one after another like this. Pull the petal downwards, give it shape like this. Similar way, we are going to make the leaf as well using green pipe cleaner. So tuck the pipe cleaner inside, tie a knot and cut the extra part using scissors and give it a shape of leaf like this, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Here we are going to make this beautiful yellow flower using pipe cleaner. So take this yellow pipe cleaner and roll it around this pen. Remove the pen and tie a knot like we're doing here. Open all the rings like this and make a beautiful flower like we're doing here, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to twist the petals and give it shape like this, and we're using floral tape, and look, your flower is ready. Similar way, we are going to take another pipe cleaner and bend it like we're doing here. Now tie a knot and we are making more leaf and petals like this, and look, it's done. Similar way, we are going to cover it using floral tape and make more such flowers. Now we are going to put all of them one after another and tie them using floral tape. Make a bunch of flowers like this and repeat the same process over and over again. Put all of them together and tie them using floral tape, and look, your beautiful flower stick is ready. Adjust them by pulling it down, and look, it's done. In this video, we're going to make different leaf patterns using pipe cleaner. So let's get started. First, we are going to fold this green pipe cleaner and tie a knot. Twist all of them together one after another, and you will get this beautiful leaf pattern. You can also put a green stick at the center for more strength and repeat the same process. You can increase and decrease the leaf size like this. Adjust the leaves by pulling it downward, and look, it's ready. Second, we are going to make this beautiful leaf pattern. Again, we are going to take this green leaf and roll it over and over again like this and make a petal like shape. We are going to tuck the pipe cleaner inside and bend it, give it shape using your fingers. Take floral tape and look, your leaves are ready. You can make this design using floral tape. Third, we are going to make this leaf design. So again, we are going to tie a knot using 2 green pipe cleaners and pull it downward. Tie a knot from its bottom side as well. Cut the extra leaf like this using scissors. You can also give it shape, and look, it's done. We are going to take yellow pipe cleaner, cut all of them into half. We are going to use these little pipe cleaners. So bend all of them. We are going to make the flower petal like this. Now we are also going to make the leaf for the flower. So take this green pipe cleaner, bend it and tie a knot, and look, your leaf is ready. Similar way, we are going to make more such leaf design. So tie a knot using 2 green pipe cleaners, and look, it's done. Roll this brown pipe cleaner, make a circle and paste all the petals on the top of it using hot glue gun, and paste all the leaves together. Put this green stick at the center, combine them using floral tape, and look, your flowers are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please